a road and river walk that cuts through the heart of the high-tech capital. We're hiking Shenzhen's 200-kilometre Kunpeng Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Opened in 2024 and stretching just over 200 kilometres across the city's green spine, the Kunpeng Trail is Shenzhen's longest and most iconic hiking route. Named after the mythical Kun, a colossal sea fish, and Peng, a magnificent bird, the trail offers a real challenge for visiting and local hikers alike. Spanning 20 diverse segments that link 10 major mountains, 20 country parks and numerous reservoirs, it gives a very different experience of one of China's major cities. We have divided it into 10 episodes, each starting and finishing at a road you can get out of. We forgot to press record on our opening of this episode, so instead you have me on voiceover explaining what we're about to take on. Today we're hiking through the University and Tech District of Shenzhen on a 12-kilometre flat trail that will link the Yangtai Mountain Forest Park with the Tsinghua Mountain Country Park. It's the easiest of our days on the Kunpeng Trail, but not without some interest. So here we are walking between two universities, the Southern University of Science and Technology on this side and Shenzhen University on the other side. Unfortunately, we are along a road on a pavement, but certainly lots to look at, though it's not the prettiest of sights, and there's lots of motorbikes travelling along the pavements. We start with the 7-kilometre walk along Li Kang Road, parallel to a new path that is being built across the ridge to our left, which will open soon and bring you off the pavement. Once at the end of the road, you come to the Dasha River.
We got stopped by the security guard by the university. On the sand, we should go across the campus and join the river bank and go along. But they send us out to turn at the traffic light.
Dasha River.
We're gonna go along the river from now on.
There are a number of corridors that have been set up along the Kunpeng Trail that link different country parks. This is the strength of the urban trail. Where possible, they've designed the corridors to give you the sense of being in the countryside, even as you are cutting through an urban sprawl. The next section is a good example of that. So at this point, the trail does start to become much nicer. It's we think just over 5 kilometres along this river. It's very well done, very pretty, lots of bird life. Lots of things to look at, people who are enjoying the park as well as us. So, yeah, very pleasant. Well, here, as we're walking through this university district, we have China's two most famous universities. That's Peking University over there, Beida as it's known in Chinese, and Tsinghua is right behind us, presuming they are here to take advantage of Shenzhen's most advanced technology. Although the path along the river continues, our journey and the end of section 6 ends at Zhuguang village, between two metro stations. There are shops, foods and hotel in the area, a great point to make a stop. Well, that's the end of these two sections. On my watch, just over 12 kilometres. Very flat though, quite easy going.
No elevation at all, right?
Last section wasn't too bad. First one a little bit disappointing.
Yeah, this is too extreme. This part, the second part, section 6, I would say, is pleasant, very pleasant.
Very, very nice. Now, if you're thinking about doing this, check, because section 5 may have opened by the time the official section 5, and that looks to be quite special. Now, if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other episodes, all the other sections of this trail, and much, much more on our YouTube channel and on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
This is
Drone and Phone.